What's going on in the spring real estate market? Hi, this is Maria of Quattrone, and I'm going to talk a little bit about what's going on in the spring real estate market. If you're a real estate agent, if you're a buyer, if you're a seller, you'll want to listen to this message I'm bringing you today. So, we expected a little more activity than we have right now. And we're seeing that there has been an impact from what's going on in Iran. Also, the unemployment report and what's happening with AI. What's happening with AI? And all these things are affecting the real estate market. In addition to that, rates went up. So, what does this mean? This means that if you are a seller, if you are a buyer, and you want to buy in this market, get off the fence now. Get the house on the market. Go out and shop for a home with your agent, okay? Because, this is like crazy. I heard this morning. But traders on Wall Street think that due to inflation, that the Fed is going to increase the Fed rate. And if that rate increases, that could actually make mortgage rates go up higher. So, here's what I see going on. I see a lot of people sitting on the fence. I have done 25, 30 seller consults already this month. I think more than that. I'm going to go on later tomorrow and talk about that. And I see a lot of people not being able to make a decision. It's like they want to do this, but I don't care if you're a buyer or a seller. People are slow to respond. Buyers are taking longer to buy homes. They're coming in. They're looking at everything, like more carefully than in years past. This is what I am seeing. I am in the trenches. I am boots on the ground. And I see that they're taking longer to make decisions. Some cases, what's going on in Iran has spooked some people and they canceled contracts. Now, we haven't personally experienced that, but I am hearing that from the intel in the market, from people that I know and trust all over the nation, that this is happening. And sellers that want to sell are just taking longer to even, they said, Maria, I want to sell. And I've done the numbers for them. I did the strategic plan and the paperwork went out and it's still not signed. I've talked with sellers and said, look, these prices, in this case, have to be adjusted. The market's spoken to us. The market has told us from the feedback that the price is not being accepted by the market. The price is not being accepted by the market. So the market has spoken to us, and the feedback, and especially if there's very little or none, is feedback. And so to get ahead of this and what could be coming, who knows what it's going to be, but what could be coming based on the information that I have at hand right now is that getting the house priced right now and getting it on the market ASAP is critical to getting the most money out of it in the spring market. We can't control all these outside things that are going on. The only thing we can control is being the guide, being the person that takes the information and puts it out there and makes sure that people understand what's going on. So I always want everyone to know who's in this business, who's in real estate, whether you're a buyer, a seller, an agent, what is happening in real time. In real time. So, look, they expected boomsday. Boomsday meaning buyers and sellers coming out the wazoo, buying and selling. It's not happened yet. So, if you are a seller, what this means for you, okay? What this means for you and why it's important to get the house on the market as soon as humanly possible, okay? Before the rates do go up, if they're going to go up. And there's a real possibility that that can happen. If you're a buyer, It's critical that you get out and shop now with your agent so that you can take advantage of the current rates. And if you're a real estate agent, it's critical that you are in front of as many people as you can on a daily basis, sharing this message with them, giving them the intel, being the guide for them, being the boots on the ground, being the person that they need to hear from. And believe me, they want to hear from you, okay? People want to know what's happening. And this is what's happening in the spring market today on March 16th, 2026. So if you want more information, if you're an agent, you want more information of how to get more listings, I am going to just drop in the comment there, more listings, and I'll send you a free download of the link. Happy to do that. And to everybody else out there, reach out to me if you're looking to buy, you're looking to sell, or if you're an agent who wants to get the free download of Get More Listings Now. Drop it right there in the link, more listings, and I'll send you the download.